Hi, Kara Sheftel with Boston Document Systems. Sometimes I get asked, Kara, why do I have lines on my prints out of my HP printer? I'm so glad you asked. Let's talk about it. One of the main reasons why you could be getting lines is because you don't have enough toner in your device. Run on over to your device, check and make sure you don't have any alerts, and replace that toner if you do. If you don't have an alert, move to the next step. If you're still getting lines after a toner replacement, the next thing that you should do is check your document. If you're using a desktop publishing application, chances are you have a hidden layer in there somewhere that has either a line or a box that shouldn't be there. Clean up your document, and if it's still printing lines, then go to the next step. The last two steps should be performed by a certified technician. You can call the number on your device with your certified technician and they will come out, and the first thing that they're going to do is clean your device. You should never clean your own device using canned air. They'll come out and they'll remove the components that are supposed to be removed and safely clean your device so that it has optimum performance capabilities. If that's not it, they're going to replace the drum on your printer. Over time, drums can get scratches or nicks that can build lines on your prints. Once that is replaced, you should be up and running in no time. For more information on your HP copiers and printers, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel.